Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with a Redmi A2. And for that you will need the buttons so the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can share the screenshot or you can edit it also before. Let me show you it one more time. So we will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now on this pen here, then you have now the chance to edit the screenshot. And what is very nice here, you can crop a part of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. No? So you can crop it here in many ways. Okay, after, don't forget to go on done. And it will be part of our gallery. In the gallery, where are your screenshots? Of course, you have the gallery. So just swipe up here to the app drawer. And then you will find here somewhere the gallery. Here it is. And here the photos, your screenshots are mixed with the pictures and videos you have done with the camera. So this is why I recommend to you always to go to the folders here, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.